Well, as you can see, that was the Dassault Falcon 200 just seen come over anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration as we see today is G-FRAU, we see today apparently. As you can see, the call sign is on today, which is AMBER3 is on today apparently is on, call sign is on today, which is AMBER3 is on today. And just you can see, this is where it took off from anyway. As you can see, this is where it took off from. Apparently it took off from its base at Bournemouth Airport just around, probably just before, well, takeoff time it was probably around just after 2:35 PM anyway, from his base at Bournemouth Airport anyway, because he was on the ground for about 2:30 anyway, 2:30 he was. So yeah, and that is one of the Draken, the aviation services, that is. So yeah, but just you can see, this is where we first saw it start with. He was around 50,000 feet from here apparently, and then just from like here, from that point, he was around 50,000 feet he was anyway, which looks like today he seems to have gone much higher today apparently, which I don't know why, but normally it would have got to around about, normally the height would have flown was probably about 4,000 feet anyway, but it looks like from the distance, compared to what we saw, it was around 53,000 feet, and then from here, just over my house, as he flew, he was about 54,000 feet anyway. As you can see, that was where we didn't see it start with anyway, at 308, because he was flying higher feet. He was to around 100,000 feet he was anyway. That's where it first came probably. Then he just dropped down over on the south coast anyway. He just dropped over on the South Ocean anyway, and then just did some training anyway, which I believe at the moment is probably doing some training laps, I believe anyway, which I'm not too sure what he's doing anyway. But I presume it's going to be going back to his base there at Bournemouth Airport very soon, hopefully, which I don't know when though, but he might be coming for another round, I think. I'm not too sure yet, but anyway. So yeah, don't know if he's going to come for another round yet or not, I don't know. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.